Alright guys, so I just got this in the mail. It's a dyna-glow 23,800 BTU kerosene heater. We're going to pull it out of the box, put it together, and then we're going to see if it runs on diesel fuel. I've done this with other kerosene heaters. They all seem to run on it just fine. As what I can tell, it smells less than kerosene. There's less of an odor when it's burning. It burns cooler and it lasts longer. So I mean, obviously kerosene, you know, you can burn it hotter and you get more heat out of it, but this will probably only be 20,000 BTU at high temp instead of 24,000, you know, something like that. But yeah, we're gonna put her together. Let me go ahead and set my camera up. All right, I guess that's about like right there, I guess. Let's find out. I'll have to keep checking, making sure I'm not leaving the film area. I'll pop this guy open here. Alright, pop this in the hand again and see exactly where we are as we unbox this here. I'm sorry. Alright, so we got the instruction manual. We may look at that. Probably not though. Some batteries. I don't know how well these are. I've always put Duracells in everything and never even bothered with the batteries that I've gotten in these. I don't have batteries for this, so I will be using them. Woo! Alright. This cardboard out of here. Oh look, it's got a little siphon hose for filling it. You put that right in there. Pump it up, get it on in there. So you don't get any too bad of spills going on. I'm going to pull all this stuff out and line it up, get the cardboard out of it, whatnot like that, you know. I got a lot of cardboard going on. Look, the mutt face is going to help. There he is. I'm going to have to use both hands on this. Let me put you back in the camera holder. Nothing else in there. Can you see it? Yeah, okay. This guy out of here. Get this guy off. All right. Get all this out of the way. Alright, so what I'm seeing, there's 4 pieces, so it doesn't look like it's going to be like really out of control or anything. This is all seems to be in, you know, this is in there intact, so I'm just going to set it right back down in there. Seems like it's the way it's supposed to be. There it is. Yep, dropped right in place. Yeah, I'm liking how this is looking. I'm thinking that this probably goes on. There's an arrow. Is there another arrow on this thing here? Where's the arrow pointing at? Let's get the instructions, but there's 4 different things for it to bolt to. Is that what these are? You know what? Let's get these instructions out. Hold on, let me look this up real quick. First, it says gotta have a screwdriver. There is 2 screws in this. Not sure where they go. We're going to find that out just momentarily. Let me go get a screwdriver. Alright, so I got my Phillips head screw driver. It's saying to put the arrow with the carrying handle holes, you know, right here. And those are right next to these, right above that. So it doesn't say which one, so I guess that won't matter. So we're just going to set this right on in there. Just that lines right up with the, yeah, that just lines right up with the handle carrying holes. And then it says put the handle in that sewn. No, the other cage. Where's the other half cage? Where'd it go? Other half cage. Wait a minute. What the heck? Install front and rear guards. Am I missing a freaking guard? Hold on a second. Oh, it's onto this. Oh, that's hilarious. Okay, so we get this. Here we go. Let's see, how are you in there? You are like, oh yeah, like that. Put you see, it's got the spikes pointing in like that. Goes here. And how does it go? No, it does not. No, it's just the top one pointing down goes in. And this top one pointing down goes in. Yeah, it worked out pretty good, except, no, this isn't right at all. This isn't working out good at all. They got this back one on, and it's supposed to be the front one. So it's got the little hole. So we're gonna flip that around. There. And here. That's a little better. And this one is gonna go here and here, like so. It looks better. Now what's it say to do? It says the downward hook of the grill rods, they don't line up to that thing at all. I don't get that. It's showing it stabbed right in there, but it does not. Oh, you know what it is? Check this out. This should be up a level. I'm up at the top one, I should be at the next one down. Learning process, guys. Next one down, next one down. Now these will stab in there, and they'll stab in here. Come on now. Get on in there, don't be shy. There you are. Yeah. Same with this guy. Get in there. Dab it in here. Get in here. Boom. There, like that. Alright. Line these guys back up. Bigger holes. Because now after that, it's saying install carrying handle. Oh. Okay, and then it's saying install this as well. How's it saying to do that though? It says install top guard. Line 2 top brackets, 2 mounting brackets. On the front and rear of the guards. I am not seeing what they're saying here. Front and rear. Oh, there it is. There. And there. And that's what those 2 screws are. Oh! Bear with me, guys. I've never put one of these together. I'm just trying. This guy in. Like so. It's actually not bad at all. Alright. And then this thing's all like together. We gotta put the batteries in now. Should be back here on the back. Boom. Pop them open. Looks like the top one, the positive side, or the little nubby. You can see that little nubby side. That's the positive side. Goes away from the spring, and the bottom one, it goes away from the spring as well, in the opposite direction. That's there. And this is here. Alright, that's it. That's all together. That's how you assemble it. That's no big deal at all. Freaking awesome. Alright, now we're gonna go and fuck this shit. Oh, just read carefully before using. No, I won't. Lower, night. Okay, so K1 kerosene only. Yeah, I hear you. But what if? And do I got a funnel? Hold on, let me pause you guys. Let me find a really fucked up funnel somewhere. All right, I don't have enough in here to fill this up. I do got to get more diesel before it gets too late here. I am going to put what I got in there. Come on, I'll back up. And those gets you in more trouble. All right, and we got to let this wick soak. Let's see how long it says. Let's see. Here, let me look that up. We got to let this wick soak. It's got to soak all the fuel up. So give me 1 second here. All right, it's saying to wait an hour. So I'm going to let this sit here for a while, and then I'm going to come back to it. I guess while we wait too, I'll show you a little bit of other things. You can light this with a match. To light this, you would turn this all the way to the right. This won't light right now because it's dry still. It needs to soak for an hour. To light with a match, you would just lift this up so you could see the wick underneath it, and you would light that with a match. If you look at this, if you light this, you see it starts to glow down there. Let it go. And it starts to glow down there. And that's how you light with the batteries. Turn off, you put that. So, it's not going to light right now because it's just not soaking it up yet, you know. No big deal. We will wait. I'm gonna go and get some diesel fuel while I wait. All right, so it's been an hour or so. I filled it up the rest of the way with diesel fuel. Let's see. Hopefully the wick is wet enough that she'll light. So we're gonna crank up the knob. Also, there's a, you know, if it shakes too much, boom, it shuts right off. So it's very sensitive. All right, let's fire it up. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Light. Oh, it did. It lit. Then we're just gonna let it burn. I don't know if you can see, but the fire is, you know, building up. It's gonna be a little bit of smoke until it heats up. Not a lot though. You see, there's nothing crazy. Once it gets going all the way around, it gets heated up. You can turn it down to the temp you want. This is going to be awesome. It was so cold here the last few days in Florida. And my AC heater, the electric in it, just can't keep up. It was down in the 20s and that little thing just couldn't keep up. It got cold at night. That burns perfect. And then you can turn down the temp. No big deal. Everything looks great. This is the door for lighting it with a match if you want. Freaking awesome. Alright guys, that's a win. Runs on diesel fuel. Alright, you guys got any questions, message me. I'll have this for years to come, so I'll be able to tell you any things that happen down the road from burning diesel in it. But right now it looks great. Alright guys, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Put a link for this right in the description below. Just click on it, it'll take you right to this heater. Hit that notification bell. That helps a lot. Thanks guys, peace.